world gonna get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love. You wanna get to me close, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us together. 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 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. We got love.
Hey, this is Ronald Carroll from Math Skills University, and today I want to show you how I converted this wedding video from Davinci Resolve and Filmora to CapCut 3.4. So let's get started with this. This is a pro tip. So I'm going to show you really quickly. I disabled my GPU. I'm using an Intel 630 processor. My laptop is about 7 years old, and I love the fact that I can do this in CapCut with limited resources. It's not a resource hog. First thing I want to do is bring in my music. Now I'm using the song by Epidemic Sound. Please do not use this song and put it on YouTube if you're not a subscriber. This is my storyboard, and this is important to me when I create any kind of video for clients or anything like that. I have to have a good storyboard. There are 2 tracks. I have 4B and a 9B. Those will go on track number 2. Bring your assets in any way you want, one by one or all at one time. You can sort them out that way. Let's bring in all the assets. This clip right here is going to be cut about 90%. So once I have them all laid out, what I want to do now is just go back, and this video is being cut on what's being said, not the beat. First thing I want to do is go ahead and do all my adjustments to the video clip. If I want them to go right to left or left to right, I can make those cuts here. Right here, when he shows the ring, I'm going to bring in a light effect. Go up to transitions and find any light effect you want. And there are tons, so I'm just going to do this really quickly. You may have your own assets, but mine are from Pixabay and Pixels.com, and they're free.
I wanna get too close, gonna get it right.
So right there, I want that door to open, so I made those necessary cuts.
Gonna get it right now.
Here we're going to have bells at some point. We'll bring those in later. Here I just went to transitions, typed in push, and found the transition I can use.
I wanna push all the limits with you.
And we're going to bring in sound effects to that as well. I'm going to turn on track number 2 and bring down the hands. I'm going to go over here to blend mode or compositing. If you're from Filmora, it's going to be compositing.
I wanna push all the limits with you.
Those hands are too small, so I'm going to grab the clip and drag it out to make those hands bigger, like the original video I did in Davinci Resolve in Filmora 12 or 13, I think.
I wanna push all the limits with you right now.
Now I'm going to go to blend. I'm going to change that to soft light.
Push all the limits with
Use any transition you like. Right here where he says what you're feeling, I put in a blur effect, as if she's kind of like, I'm not sure about this. Bring that back together. Right here, I need to extend that clip out. When he says quick, again, we're changing on the words. I want to have a slide left or right. Just type in right in the transition box. Or slide. That's a slow slide, but with the switch it's going to be a little bit faster. When he says people talk in turn, this is about, me saying, hey, I'm the right man for you. That guy's not. Right here, we're going to put in a fade. Type in fade and pop it down.
people talk and tell what you wanna hear now.
When he says but, it's a transition here, they disappear. So we'll type in slide and we'll slide him out the picture. And this was done for a subscriber for his wedding.
People talk and tell what you wanna
In Filmora 12 at the time.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now. All disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together.
Now is when I bring in the couple. I'm going to go back to blend mode. If you're coming from Filmora, it's going to be compositing.
Right, stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight.
And I did dial down the opacity.
So we better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight.
Now again, this is a pro tip, so I assume you know the basics of CapCut. Let's make that bigger. Let's see what that looks like. Just trying to get this correct here. So right here, the bridesmaids, this is a slow video. So I want that flower to fall down faster. Hit her in the head. I want to have levity in this as much as I can. So that should be longer. Let's go back. And this is just my process of editing. Shift B is going to bring in your ramping. So you can speed ramp right here. So if you click on speed, if it doesn't work, just type in Shift plus B as in boy. I want to speed this up a little bit, like that. That has to be elongated because I want the couple to come in later. So here I'm doing some speed wrapping. And there's your levity. And I did this differently in all three editing software, so you can check them out. They're linked below. I'm going to click on the 100% there. And I want to expand this part because this is going to go for at least, 15, 20 seconds.
We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love.
Then I want to make sure that on this transition, there's a flash to help me with that transition. And here I do a lot of cutting. I want them to feed each other and then kiss each other. But before they kiss, I'm going to insert a transition as well. I'm going to have the transition zoom up.
You want to get to me close. Why don't you do it right now? Meant for a reason, but you trying to deny.
And here, he's chasing the car, like he chased her before they got married. Reminds me of my 35-year marriage. She refused to date me for 2 years. Now I sped this up. That's a dirty film roll.
You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now.
So now I can bring down my next video clip
We only need the two
of the couple sitting on a mountain. Bring down our another one. This video clip has its own volume.
We only need the two of us together.
I turn the volume up here. And also we're going to do a fade out. And that works very well with romantic videos.
We only need the two of us.
Let's make that longer. I want a more seamless, smooth transition here.
Need the two of us together.
And bring in whatever you like.
We only need the two of us together.
Here's more levity. I want her to turn till she gets dizzy.
We only need the two.
And again, another fade to black. I want to center them in the middle of the frame there.
We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love.
We're going to cut there and bring in our last video clip.
Need the two of us together.
I've also cut this when they kissed as well in other videos. Fade to black. Let's center them up. Now what we need to do is fade out to black.
'Cause we got love.
Let's center them up.
'Cause we got
Bring in a fade to black transition.
'Cause we got love.
This video does not fade, so we have to fade it. Now in Filmora Davinci Resolve, I can just pop in a fade, but we can't do that here as easily. So let's go back a little bit. Let's go up here to blend mode. Click on keyframe. Pop in a keyframe. You start there, take it to the end, and bring the opacity all the way down to black.
We got love.
I've made a lot of money doing videos like this, and they're really easy to do once you have the footage. Let's import some sound effects. Get them from wherever you want, just pop them in. Here's our bells for the church.
Too close, gonna get it right now.
Let's bring down some text. Go up here and bring down our default text. Find whatever font you like. I did link some wedding text. Let's do a swoosh right here. And this transition I did not like, so I went up and I brought down a transition called heart. Bring a swoosh down, of course, when I'm pushing there. Then we export that. Oh, I put in the old film, which is a pro feature. So let's bring down and up or down here. No problem. Extend that out. Let's export that. And we're pretty much done. That's a pretty simple video to do. And I've done a lot of advertising, marketing, things like that. They're easy to do and you can make good money off of them. So learn how to do this and learn how to make money, maybe a side hustle, but they're easy to do. And CapCut actually plays the video back when it's exporting, which is different. For those of you who are interested, I did this exact same video in Davinci Resolve 18 as well as Filmora 12-13. You can also see my comparative videos between Davinci Resolve 18 and Filmora 12-13, as well as my comparative similarity video between Filmora 13 and CapCut 3.4. For those of you who want to do clean music videos, I did a rap video in Davinci Resolve 18 recently, as well as a video in Filmora 12-13, a travel video in Davinci Resolve, and Filmora 12-13. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to see me do any kind of comparative videos in the future, I'd be more than happy to do them. If you want to compare Davinci Resolve with Filmora 13, with CapCut, or if you want me to convert any of my previous videos to CapCut, please let me know. If you're looking for a specific lesson in CapCut or DaVinci Resolve or Filmora 13, please let me know that as well. DM me or put a message down in the comment section. Also, any thoughts you have, please put them below and I'll be more than happy to respond to them. Thanks again for watching and have a great and creative day. God bless.